developed the menu. We involved the consumers in the Shanghai area. So every product that you're going to taste was presented to Shanghai consumers. That's really important to us because where the burger and the chicken strips might be Western, the flavor matters. We want to make sure that the China consumer really likes all of our products. So when you taste like the Shanghai burger today or the DQ signature burger, that sauce and those products have been tested with consumers right here in Shanghai. And if they didn't like the product and approve it, it didn't make the menu.